Hello, I'm Yokbun. Today I'd like to share with you on how to create Excel formula with Excel VBA Part 2. Okay, to begin, you must have a developer tab here. So if let's say you don't have, you point your pointer here and right click. Then you say customize ribbon, you click here. Then you see developers, make sure it's tick. So if not tick, you tick it, then okay. So once it's okay, you go to the developer tab, then you insert a form control button here. Okay, then you just put here. Okay, okay. So if let's say this assign macro come out, you click new. Okay, okay. Then this one the VBA script come here. Okay, okay. Now we want to do is all in sheet 1. Okay, this is sheet 1 followed in the bracket 1, sheet 1. So we go here. Okay, so that means we want to look for this column E, then give to column F the price from this table. Okay, that means table is A2 to B7, so this one is to F2 to F7. Okay, that means here we go worksheet. Okay, open bracket, open quotation mark, sheet 1, close quotation, close bracket, dot range, open bracket, open quotation mark, range F2 to F7, right? F7. Okay, then close and dot value, formula, then space equal, then another space. Okay, open double quotation mark, then equal sign. Okay, so this one is to become a formula. That means you can create a formula as in Excel spreadsheet. So we use VLOOKUP. Lookup for E2 in range A2 dot B7, comma, then column number 2 exact match. Okay, so this one we have to put a dollar sign to lock it. Okay, then this one also to lock. Okay, once okay, then we go back to the spreadsheet. Okay, then we just click OK. Okay, so you see here got error, right? Because here see the formula all come, you see, as what is it, but here because here got blank, so it cannot come out. Okay, okay. So to eliminate this error, we have to use a if error function. So if error function in the script VBA script, because we use the quotation mark already, right? I mean if error you want to put blank inside, then the script will not read it as a blank, right? It will be error. Okay, so to avoid this, you have to use let's say I use this area, I put space, then I enter. Okay, so this one is a space, not a blank. So I go here, I name it maybe anything A B C lah. Okay, enter. Okay, so now I know A B C refer to the this. Okay, so then I go back here, then okay, so I put here error if error, if this form VLOOKUP function error give a blank, some sort like when ABC blank, no, else give back the answer of VLOOKUP. So then we go back here. Okay, then we test. See, blank again. So let's say I put here staple. I got 2. So this one is not in format. I can format it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's say I put here ruler. So if let's say we don't want the formula to be there, we go back here again. So we just write worksheet sheet 1 dot is range F2 colon F7 dot value equal the same. Then we can copy like that only. Okay, so we go here. Now you see got formula, so we click no more formula. See, and it's hidden. Then you let's say I delete here, no formula, nothing happened. Let's say like that. So it's, I mean, people don't know there's no formula. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So if you like my, thank you.